Why choose Lvxin when you're looking for a mold holding supplier? Here have 5 reasons to tell you. 1. Because we are the factory with a complete industry chain.
Second, because we have a professional design team. We focus on industrial packaging, experts in wet press process. We turn your design into reality. Third, because we have a self-built mold room.
4. Fully automatic production line insurance, high efficiency and consistent quality, supporting large value orders. 5. Machines ensure consistency, 100% human inspection, guards final quality. We deliver the goods to you on time. Why choose Rita? The reason 1. I understand your need accurately and communicate effectively in professional teams. The second reason, I present the whole team. I can quickly coordinate our international team to find you the best solutions, from quote to delivery. The last reason, my after-sales team and I have been travel to the customer factories in the United States, Australia, and Europe. So, as long as you need it, we will go to your area and talk to you face to face to solve any problem you want us to solve. So choose Lvxin Packaging not only choose a supplier on multiple packaging, but also means choosing reliability and expertise. I am Rita from Lvxin Packaging, and we're looking forward to starting a partnership with you.